operation on set, union, intersection and difference of sets. And next one is our the complement on a set. Now we start from the union on set. What is its definition? The union of two sets A and B which consist of all those elements which are either in A or in B, including those which are in both. In symbol we write A union B. This is the symbol of unions. It means such type of elements is considered here which either belongs to A or belongs to B. For an example, see here, A is the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And B is the set 2, 6, 7, 8. 2, 6, 7, 8. Here we observe that 2 is the common. That's why we write it 2 in the common region. Then find the A union B. In A union B, set of all elements either in A or in B. What are all the elements? 1, 3, 4, 5, 2, 6, 7, 8. All the elements of A and B, and repeated elements considered at once. Now what is the properties of union of sets? The union of sets are commutative, means when union of two sets is equal to interchanging the place. Now associativity, X union Y, X is the set, Y is the set and Z is the set. X union Y union Z, when we change the positions, first we do the union of Y and Z and after that X, it has values have never changed. Now law of identity elements. Here law of identity means phi is the null set. When we find the union of null set with any set, the set remains same. That's why it's a identity. Idempotent law, X union X, when the set union with itself, it gives the set again. Now law of union, UU is the universal set, U union X is equal to the universal set. Now next is operation is our intersection of set. What is its definition? The intersection of two sets A and B is the set which consists of all those elements which are present in both A and B, means only the common elements we considered here in the symbol. This is the sign of intersections. It means X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Only we consider here only the common elements. This reason is the intersection part of these two sets. This is the shaded reason. Now let us take an example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 2, 5. What thing is common here? 2 is common. That's why we say that A intersection B is the only 2. Okay. Now what is its properties? Now see the properties of it. Same thing is, it is also commutative. It is also associative. Law of intersection and universal. Phi intersection X means null intersection with any set. What thing is common? Obviously null is common. When we take a intersection of universal with any set, what thing is common? That particular set is common. Idempotent law, X intersection X is X itself, set itself. Distributive law, when we take a set intersection with any union of the sets, it's distributed over here. X intersection Y union X intersection Z, result remain same. Now come on the next one thing, that is the difference of sets. This is the next operation of sets. What is the difference? The difference of two sets A and B is of the set which consists of all those elements which are present in A but not present in B. Here we avoid the common elements. In symbol we write A minus B, means in A minus B only those element is here which only if and only belongs to set A. It's no, the common elements we remove here. Now A minus B, let us take an example. A is equal to 23971 and B is equal to 394. 3939 is common here. That's why A minus B is the remaining element of avoiding 39, that is 271. 271. Now B minus A is what? B minus A, we avoid the common elements from B, that is only 4. Okay, by this way, this is the difference of sets. What is its property? Its property is, before going to discuss, first we discuss the disjoint set. Definition of disjoint: if two sets x and y has no common element and their intersection result is 0, means the way two sets is said to be disjoint, means this intersection is 5. Let us take an example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. What we observe here, no one element is common here. That's why A intersection B is equal to 5. Now come on, the properties of difference of sets is it is not commutative, means A minus B is never equal to B minus A. We see the examples. Now the set of A minus B means this part, truth part is A minus B, and the A intersection is our knowledge part, that is a common part, and this one is the B minus A. When these all are the disjoint with each other. Now what next thing is our, what is the complement of set? Let U be the universal set, A is the subset of U, then the complement of A is the set of all elements of U which are not the element of A. Symbolically we write A dash to denote the complement of A with respect to U. Means what? This is the universal set, this rectangular space is the universal set, and this is the circular is covered by set A. Means what is the A complement? Means the remaining portion of U. When we avoid A from U, the remaining portion of U is said to be the A complement. A complement means A complement, here it's also the elements belongs to U, but it's not belongs to A. And A is the X belongs to U and X does not belongs to A complement. Means obviously we write here like that, A complement is equal to, when we subtract or eliminate the elements of A from U, we get the A complement. When we eliminate the element of A complement from U, we get the A. By this way we find the complement of the set. Now see its properties. Its complement law. Its complement law is that, first property, A union A complement is equal to U, that is universal set. A intersection A complement is equal to 5, that is null set. Here U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A is equal to 2, 3, 5. Find A union A complement and A intersection A complement. Here A complement is 1, 4, 6 and A is 2, 3, 5. We get this one from here. When we may do the interunion of it, we get the universal set U, and in the when we finding the common element in between, we are getting null set. Now next thing is the De Morgan's law. This property is known as by the De Morgan's law. A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement, and A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Let U is equal to A B C D E F G. A is A B D and B is. Now we are going to prove these facts. First we find the A complement from here, C E F G H, and B complement A B C F G. Now then we find A union B, these things, and A intersection B, this one. Now after that we put A union B complement, we avoid this element from the U, we get CFH. Now A transpose A complement intersection B complement is also CFH. These both are the equals. Now come on, the next one is A intersection B complement. A intersection B is our D. Now its complement is, we avoid D from here, A, B, C, E, F, G, H. And the union of A complement and B complement is also the A, B, C, E, F, G, H. What we observe here, in both the cases LHS is equal to RHS, means De Morgan's law is verified. Now come on, the next property of it. Its next property, U is equal to is a double transpose of any set is the set remains same. U is the 1, 2, 3 up to 10 and A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. A complement, what we get? We avoid these elements. We get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And we just complement of complement. We get the set A remain once again. Now law of empty set and universal set. The complement of universal means complement of all is nothing, and complement of nothing is all. Means universal set consists all the sets. The complement of all is equal to null set, and the complement of null set is equal to universal sets. Okay, use the universal set, it means consists of all the elements. Its complement is that this one. Now come on the some exercise examples for this. Now let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. What is the A minus B? We avoid the common element of 2, 4, 6. We get 1, 3, 5. B minus A, we avoid 2, 4, 6. We get only 8. A intersection B, only common element 2, 4, 6. A union B, we join both the sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Now, which of the following is incorrect for the set A, which is a subset of universal set? A intersection A transpose, we know it, it is right. A union A transpose is U, yes, it is also right complement. The double complement of any set is set itself, yes. A complement is equal to A minus of U. Now, here it is wrong, that is U minus A, because universal set is bigger. U minus A, so this one is D option is wrong. A is equal to, now come on the third question, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B is equal to 2, 3, 5, A minus B is equal to 1 exactly, B minus A is equal to 1, no it's not, 1 is not present here, how we write B minus A is equal to 1, that's why this one is wrong. If A and B are two sets, then A intersection A union B equal. A union B, we get the both the elements of A and B, and when we find the A intersection with its means A set A itself. Set A is the right answer. Now let U is equal to A B C up to Z, and A is equal to X Y A B B Y Z D M N all. Find A minus B. What is A minus B? We avoid the common element, that is Y Z. What we get? X A B. B minus A, we avoid common element D M N. A intersection B, what is the common element? That is Y and Z. Now A union B complement, we join these things X, Y, Z, A, B, D, M, N, and the remaining element from U is its complement. By this way, we will do all these things, and you also do the exercise from your books and try to find it. Now, okay, thank you.